Did you know that around the world there are many temples that are famous and hold great historical value? But the most extraordinary wonder lies in Cambodia, the sacred land of the Khmer civilization, which has gifted the world with countless magnificent temples built during the era of the Khmer Empire. Behold the breathtaking Angkor Wat temple, an eternal masterpiece of Khmer architecture. Every structure reflects the richness of culture, history, and profound religious beliefs. Cambodia is not only the birthplace of these temples, but also a country filled with stunning natural landscapes, peaceful retreats, a way of life deeply rooted in ancient traditions, and the genuine sincerity of its people. Anyone who experiences it feels as if they are traveling back to a glorious past. So, if you are looking for a journey that brings knowledge, excitement, and unforgettable memories, Cambodia is a destination you cannot miss. Here, countless incredible temples and beautiful natural wonders are waiting for you to discover. During the era of the Khmer Empire, ancient temples were not merely stone constructions, but the very life and soul of Khmer culture. Each temple was built through the strength of body, mind, and spirit, inspired by profound love and devotion, so that they would stand as eternal evidence of art, strategy, and sacred belief. When you stand before these majestic temples, you feel as though you are stepping into the very soul of history, a reminder that the Khmer people regarded temples as the most priceless heritage of all. For them, the temple symbolizes life, honor, and the immortality of the Khmer race, as well as a sacred place that cultivated knowledge and wisdom. Today, these temples still rise proudly from the earth, serving as foundations of happiness and as a universal heritage that continues to attract travelers from around the world, inviting them to marvel at the grandeur of Khmer art and the immortal achievements of the ancestors. Visiting the temples is not only sightseeing, it is an emotional journey, filled with inspiration, smiles, and a heartfelt connection to a civilization that endures across centuries. Khmer temples, the ancient universities of the world. Have you ever wondered why the Khmer ancestors of the Angkor Empire built temples as magnificent universities? The answer is that temples were not only places of worship and spiritual merit, they were also centers of knowledge, teaching and nurturing a wide range of skills for society. During that era, large temples like Angkor Wat, Bayon, Preah Khan, and Ta Prohm were used as schools and powerful educational centers. Monks, scholars, and intellectuals taught many professions, forming a foundation for the creation of a glorious empire. Fields of study in the temple universities. 1. Science and mathematics, astronomy calculations, architecture, and construction methods. 2. Medicine and pharmacy, treating illnesses, creating herbal medicines, and the art of healthcare. 3. Language and literature, writing, poetry, art, literature, and document compilation. 4. Arts and architecture, stone carving, painting, and various visual arts. 5. Philosophy and religion, teaching moral values, spirituality, and high ethical principles. Leadership and governance skills in the Angkor Empire, a strategy and military science, training armies, managing warfare and national defense. Administration and law, leading society, managing the population, and ensuring justice. Economics and agriculture, farming methods, water management, and crop cultivation. Art of empire building, diplomatic ties with neighboring countries and creating shared culture. Why should you visit? When you walk into Angkor temples, you will feel as though you are entering an ancient university, full of knowledge, wisdom, and art. All of this shows that Angkor was not just a historical landmark, it was a cultural and educational center that continues to inspire tourists worldwide. Backhand index pointing right. Are you ready for a journey to Cambodia to explore these ancient universities at Angkor Wat and other historic temples? The king's love for his people in ancient times. In Khmer culture, the temples that were built were not merely magnificent architectural achievements, but also evidence of the king's love and care for his people. Kings of that era consistently demonstrated behavior reflecting compassion and concern for the welfare of the population. They also granted rights, freedom, and dignity to all social classes of their subjects. 1. Construction of public works. Many kings implemented major projects such as magnificent temples, water reservoirs, and large canals to supply water for agriculture. This shows that the king cared deeply about the livelihood of the people and the future of the nation. 2. Promotion of culture and arts. The king also promoted arts, visual culture, and various symbols that have become national heritage. This demonstrates the king's love for his people by providing them the opportunity to live in an environment of art, culture, and development. 3. Provision of peace and justice. Ancient times show that kings always ensured peace and justice for their people. A peaceful society allowed citizens to live prosperously and enjoy well-being. 4. Love like a father to his children. Kings were respected as the great fathers of the nation. The memory of the people tells us that the king loved his people like a father loves his children, striving tirelessly for their happiness. Why should you visit? When you walk along the temple walls and witness these magnificent structures, you will not only see exceptional art but also feel the king's love for his people, an enduring legacy that continues to inspire the world today.